I'm Anjanetta Cole, and I'm a student at Nova Southeastern University. For my final project, I will be discussing radio frequency. RF stands for radio frequency. Radio is transmitting electrical energy from one place to another without using a direct wired communication. Frequency is the number of waves that arrive each second. Therefore, RF communication works by creating electromagnetic waves at a source and being able to pick up those electromagnetic waves at a particular destination. For example, if you drop a rock in a puddle of water, you may notice a ripple effect of waves. This ripple effect of waves is a visual demonstration of how waves work in RF communication as a transmitter. Once the motion of waves are detected, this demonstrates the RF receiver. As a result, RF communication system consists of a transmitter and receiver. In most RF communication systems, the transmitter and receiver must operate within a certain distance and time frame. The transmitter refers to the amount of RF power that comes out of the antenna port of the radio. It's usually measured in watts, milliwatts, or dBms. The receiver refers to the minimum level signal the radio can demodulate. RF communication is important to me because my son created a 3D prototype that requires a RF operating system. The prototype was printed using a 3D printer. The difficulties occurred when attempting to locate the appropriate RF transmitter and receiver components to make the prototype functional. Besides this prototype, RF is used with many products. For example, remote controls, garage door openers, key finders, radios, cell phones, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. Radio technology had its birth with the publication of Jane Clerk Maxwell's treatise on electricity and magnetism in 1873, setting forth the basic theory of electromagnetic wave propagation. About 10 years later, Hertz demonstrated that disturbances generated by a spark coil showed the characteristics of Maxwell's radio waves. His work inspired Marconi's experiment using Morse code. At this time, it was assumed that radio waves couldn't travel long distances. Marconi continued his quest to prove this theory wrong. In 1901, in Newfoundland, Canada, he detected a telegraphic signal transmitted from Cornwall, England, 3,000 kilometers away. Thus, Marconi's theory proved radio waves could reach long distances. Today's most common digital media that relates with RF is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is a wireless network that uses radio waves. The computer's wireless adapter translates data into a radio signal and transmits it using an antenna. A wireless router receives the signal and decodes it. The router sends the information to the internet using a physical wired Ethernet connection. Wi-Fi has some variations of how they operate versus traditional radios. RF has enhanced digital media over the years, from Morse code to walkie-talkies and now cell phones and internet. With increased research of radio waves and how they can increase in length and speed, more products will be available in the near future that involves radio frequencies.